We're on our way to the beauty supply because I need some bleach and developer. I'm doing an install today. I'm excited or whatever. Stay tuned. Feel me? We made it, y'all. Entry. But I'm gonna pluck it some more and I'm about to bleach the knots. She was 26, but giving like 28. Stop playing. Okay, excited. She feels good. She feels thick. It's 180 density. I'm gonna pluck her some more after I bleach her though. Depending on how she looks. Anyway, I'm back. With the headband, edge band, and then after that, take it off, get your eyebrow razor, cut it ever so patiently, and then I'll be back. So we made progress, and I did my makeup, so we can have a better result at the end. I'm about to cut some layers, you guys, and curl it. So we're going from 26 to about 20, 25. Shortest layer might be, who knows? We're gonna see though. We're gonna see. And we're gonna cut back. I look good. I look good. I'm gonna do a middle part or a side part. I think I'm gonna do a middle part because I don't want baby hairs. So I think without baby hairs, middle parts just look cleaner. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna just add some layers and curl it. Yeah. I think I'm gonna start off from this layer because it's short. And then I'm gonna just cut down. And they be lying. Yeah, this ain't really 26 inches if this ain't 26. If that makes sense. That makes sense. They robbing people. I get robbed. I'll be back.
I'm with the DP lady. Keep. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. Holla, I run through $1 million. I rock with a really, let's stop on a billion. I'm with the